If you are fine and doing well. In this video, I am sharing a very beautiful, trendy, stylish and amazing ideas of hand embroidered neckline design ideas for designing your shirts, kameez, kurti. Even you can also embroider your sari, blouse as well. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then please guys don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like my video, and don't forget to leave comments below my video, and in your comment section let us know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in upcoming days. Guys, this video collection is a beautiful combination of different color blend dresses with a very beautiful, balanced, well-maintained color combination of threads for making these beautiful and pretty embroidery patterns. Different type of stylized patterns of neckline have been used, like v-neck hand embroidery patterns. V-neck look extremely amazing and it gives a delicate look. Bot neck embroidery ideas. Bot neck embroidery is a pattern which looks extremely delicate and unique. Side neckline embroidery patterns. Some all over necklace style embroidery pattern. Necklace style embroidery pattern gives you a very creative look and the wearer feels comfortable, breathable, light as well in these very beautiful patterns of embroidery, because all of these patterns are simple, lightweight, and at the same time they give elegance and decency to the wearer or the person who is carrying these very creative and beautiful designs. The beauty and creativity of these designs lies in its scope that these hand embroidery patterns are easy to make. They are beginner friendly. Hand embroidery beginners who are in search of beautiful and creative hand embroidery patterns are at a right platform, and they are exactly at the video which they are looking. And some simple and basic and easy embroidery stitches like basic embroidery patterns have been used in this video. So I would request you to do try these patterns if you are lover or beginner of hand embroidery, or you want to create beautiful and trendy designs of hand embroidery. So instead of paying larger amount of highly price tag dresses, you can make dresses of your own, and you could become a designer of your own by sitting at your home and by just following the color combination and exact patterns of the dresses. In this pattern, in this whole video collection, single color fabric, plain fabric have been used. You can also use self printed fabric like jacquard fabric, paste printed fabric, light printed fabric to give these designs, to give the pattern more creative and enhanced look. If you want to give the touch of formal cloth wear, then you can make use of pearls, beads and sequins to give them a more fancy, creative and heavy look. So with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, stylish and trendy ideas, and stay tuned for the new latest upcoming videos. Up till then, take care, keep supporting us, keep loving us, always keep watching our videos as you always have been.